Hi, welcome to Novice Repairs. Not professional, nothing, just basic things which you might need to repair. Today we have this Braun Series 9, I believe it is. Yes, Series 9 shaver, and some people are having problems with this. Basically what happens is that they remove the head. This is a 2-year-old machine, by the way. It's mine, I've been using it, but these foils and blades, well, they fall apart, and they have to go and buy a new one, okay, because they can't fix them. It's a very simple repair actually. These foils fall out, and the people can't seem to put them back in again, you know, and it's just one of those things. So we'll dismantle these and see what happens. Oh, here we go. Firstly we can look at the order these are put in. Currently the way we look at them is this way, that this is the back of the shaver head and this is the front. So when you actually holding this shaver like this, it comes off like that. Okay, in that order. Yeah. And if you're not too sure, you can either rely on the gold one or the gold looking coloured one at the front, and the single bar that is across there is at the back. Okay, right, let's dismantle this. Well, there's nothing to it really. If I pull these sides outwards, right, they fall out. Okay. I've disassembled these. You probably found out that they've fallen out or whatever and fallen apart. Nothing to worry about, just give it a clean. Get these foils, give them a clean both sides with a brush or something. And this, give it a clean. Okay, and you can see these pins. Yeah, they go onto these pins. Okay, and there's a hole on these as well. And these flat things, they're only on one side, they go on the outside. Okay, so you put them in like this, and they go in, and they go almost level with these. And the same thing with this. Make sure these tabs are on the outside. Okay, and they go onto these pins here. So that should go on there like that. Okay, and once they're sitting in there like that, you can get the lid. Doesn't matter if you put it this way or invert it and put it the other way. Oh, just let me have a look if this needs cleaning on the inside. Yeah, it's disgusting. Give it a quick clean while you're here. Right, and put that over the top. Right, well, it's not going to work like that. I lift it out, put this over the top like this, and hold it while you turn it upside down. Oh, no, don't do it like that, okay? There we go. Put that onto there. It's on there. Put this on top of it and push it through, okay, from behind. Click, click, and then you can turn it over and you can see that it's actually clicked in. Yeah. If it's not clicked in, they will fall out from this side, okay? But it is clicked in. No, it's not. This needs to go down a little bit more. Yeah, that's what you've got to watch out for. Sometimes you don't notice it, and it should click in like that. Okay, I think we've got it now. No, we haven't got it. This one is not seating. Okay, let's lift it out again. Alright, let's have a look at this. Why is it not seating? It's seated this side, and this side, and this side. Okay. Right, let's put it back on again. Click, yeah, definite click there now, this time, definitely click there. The question is, if you hold it this way, they shouldn't fall out, okay? And you need to put it back on here, which basically the golden one goes towards the front. So I'll just put it on like this, and it goes click, okay. And as you can see now, right, they press down, the middle ones press down, and the edge ones, all of them, all working perfectly. Okay. And, well, next time you don't have to throw this head away and just because it's fallen apart. I hope it helped somebody. As I said, these are novice repairs which I do. I'm just make a video of them along with my mistakes and mess ups which I make. But if it helps you, please like and subscribe. I'll be putting more videos on of all sorts of things which I have to repair around the house. Blenders and vacuum cleaners and, you know, household utensils and items, yeah, and even lawnmowers, hopefully. So do subscribe, right? And do like the video if it helped you. And any questions, I'm a novice, I'm not an expert. So ask the experts if you've got any questions. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.